students, how are you all? Hope you're fine at home and doing really well at home. So, welcome back for your English class. So, today we are going to start with the exercise related to conjunction. So, please take out your English book, that is Hands on English, Perfection Toolkit, Level 3, Empowering C, Perfection Book 2 of 2. So, today we are going to start with the rhyme related to conjunction. We are going to recite the rhyme, and after reciting the rhyme we are going to see how we use our conjunctions. So let's revise what are conjunctions. Conjunctions are the word, or you can say conjunction is a word that joins words or sentences. When we are talking about the two sentences talking about only one thing, then we can join that two sentences with the help of and. Okay, but when we have two different choices and we have to select one choice out of it, or we have to give the option to somebody, then we use or. And we use but when we have the contrast. When we have the contrast, when we have the all when we have the opposition, or the, you can say, opposite. We are talking about one new thing, one old thing, one good thing, one bad thing. Okay, one happy, one sad. The When we are using the opposite words, but that sentence is talking about the same thing, then we use but. Getting this point? And is used when we want to join the list, the same amount of same items, or you can say when we are talking about the stationery, or when we are talking about the grocery, when we are talking about the utensils, then we are talking about the one kind of a things. So we can differentiate all those things with the help of comma and the end of the sentence. What we do, we put and. When we are talking about vegetables, so potato comma tomato comma cauliflower comma uh, you can say your brinjal and capsicums and capsicums. We are talking about the no, vegetables. Fine. When we're talking about, do you like cold drink or milk? Okay, so we are giving two options, yes or no. Then but, he is poor but happy, but honest. So we are using but when we have to contrast sentences related to one noun. Then and is used when we have a same number of kind of items, you can say. And or is used when we have the possibilities or the alternatives. Getting this point? So you can see on the page 46. Fine. Fresh and ripe, John and Raj, bride and bridegroom. Naughty but adorable, hurried but missed the bus. But is about the contrast. Getting this point? Okay. Come to page number 47. Let's start reciting our rhyme. Recite the rhyme with the correct notation. All the words in color are conjunction. A conjunction is a word that is used to join words or sentences. So, definition of conjunction: conjunction is a word that is used to join words or sentences. You're going to learn this definition of conjunction. Okay, written in your notebooks also. So, please learn them. So let's recite our rhyme. The title of rhyme is God's House. God's house. My house is high up on a hill. It is quite near a huge windmill. It has 6 rooms, both big and small. But my room is the best of all. My room has curtains, blue and white, and a table on which I often write. Nearby you may also spot Simba or Sally, my clever dog and lazy cat sleeping in the alley. The settee and the sofas are polka dotted, and in the living room, the curtains are spotted. The drapes and the carpets are thick and green. Still, through the wide window, the sunlight is seen. Not only in the garden, big and well kept, but also the lawn is airy and wind swept. The roses spread a perfume all around, and in the front corner, lilies are found. This is God's house, Grandma's always says, and we have His blessing through the days. God's angel look after this house so well. Here, sorrow or disappear never dwell. So we are talking about the house. So poet. The poet is telling about the house, about his or her house. We don't know the poet is male or female. Yes or no, poet or poetess. So we are talking about the house of a poet or a poetess, you can say. So my house is high up on the hill. It is quite near a huge windmill. You can see all the rhyming words at the end of each and every sentence. It has six rooms, both big and small. So we are talking about the rooms, and the kind of rooms are both big and the small. Now here there are two opposite words, but we are talking about both. The word both means we are talking about the variety. Yes. So but my room, now we are contrasting the rooms with all the rooms, but my room is the best of all. My room has curtain blue and white. So the color of the curtains are two, blue and white. And the table on which I often write. So all these things are the things present in my room. So I'm using and. Nearby you may also spot Simba or Sally. Now there are two animals. या आपको सिम्बा मिलेगा कॉर्नर में या आपको सैली मिलेगी कॉर्नर में. My clever dog and lazy cat sleeping in the alley. The settee and the sofa, there are two furniture types of furniture, are polka dotted. The cover of those settee and sofa are polka dotted, and in the living room, the curtains are spotted. The drapes and the carpets are thick and green. Still, through the wide window, the sunlight is seen. Not only in the garden, not only is the garden big and well kept, but also the lawn is airy and windswept. The roses spread a perfume all around, and in the front corner, lilies are found. This is God's house. So, Grandma says our house is a God's house, and we have His blessing through the days. God's angel look after this house so well, here the sorrow and disappear never dwells. Getting this point? So when we are using and but, and is used when we are talking about the same kind of a thing. Furniture, settee and sofa. Big, blue and white. Okay? And a table. We are using and when we are talking about the same. We are putting the addition information. And but when we are talking about the contrast. Okay? So you're going to give me the answer of this. What is the color of your cupboard? You're going to write the answer here itself only. What is the color of your cupboard? Bed sheet, wall, and fan. So the color of my cupboard, blue you can say, whatever the color of your cupboards are. Then bed sheet, wall and fan. Getting this point? Okay. Now question, you are going to write the answer of these things here only. Then in your notebook, you are going to write the title of the rhyme. First of all, you are going to write the conjunction on the top of the page. Then God's house, second line. Then question number 1. What would happen if God did not exist? You're going to give me the answer of this. Use your imagination. Each and everything is coordinated with the help of God only. God coordinates each and everything. When there will be night, when there will be day, the rain, the weather, each and everything is being coordinated by the God. Yes. So if God will be not like, if what would happen if God did not exist, you're going to give me the answer. Use the imagination. Who will listen your blessings? Who will listen your request? Yes. So describe your room in your own word. You're going to describe your room in your own words. Fine, I don't know about your room. So you're going to describe your room in your own words and you're going to write the answer and send me the picture. Okay, now notebook exercise. After writing these two question and answers, you're going to write the notebook exercise on the top of the page. Now you're going to describe your house in a few sentences using conjunction and but. And so we have a table and four chairs. You can say we have a table and six chairs, or you can say we have a sofa and table. Then the living room is big, but the kitchen is small. You can say the living room is big, but my room is small. So you can use these sentences, and you have to make few more sentences using and but. Using and but. Okay, so the first work is that you're going to recite the rhyme. Then you're going to do the question and answer. What is the color of your cupboard, bed sheet, wall, and fan? Okay, here only. Then what would happen if God did not exist? You're going to write the answer in the notebook. Describe your room in your own words. You're going to describe your room in your own words. Write short paragraph on this. You can write around 5 to 6 lines, okay, in the paragraph form. Then describe your house in a few sentences using the conjunction and but. So the count of the sentences are 10. 5 sentences using and 5 sentences using but. Getting this point? Any confusion in the work? Okay, so complete your work. So now it's a time for your diaries. So please take out your diaries, everyone. So please take out your diaries. In your diaries, you're going to write the following homework. So see here, I have written 3 sentences. Observe these 3 sentences. Recite poem on page number 47. Do question and answer 1 and 2 in notebook of page number 47. Complete the notebook exercise of page number 47. See here, we are talking about page number 47, and there are 3 things on the page number 47, and I have made 3 sentences of a same thing. Can I make one sentence using the conjunction? Yes, I can. How? See here, I'm using your homework to explain you conjunction. See how I'm going to do this. Recite poem, comma, do question one, do questions, and complete complete your complete notebook exercise of page 47. So you can see this, how I'm using and to make 3 sentences a one sentence. So page number 47 is the common thing. And we are doing all this thing on page number 47 only. So I'm using and to make one sentence. Recite poem, do questions and complete notebook exercise of page number 47. And if you want to mention the question number, how you're going to mention? Use the bracket 1 and 2. Getting this point, it is very easy to use and when we are talking about only one thing. And all these things to be done on page number 47. So this is a difference of using conjunction. Okay? Can you observe the difference? Yes, good. So you are going to write the diary in your diary. You're going to write this homework in your diary. So today's date, and in English column, recite poem, do question one and two, and complete notebook exercise of page number 47. So do complete your work. In next class, we are going to do the reading of page number sorry, page number 48. Okay, so do complete your work and send me your work on time. Till then, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye.